I didn't get the grades that I needed to go to the university. So it was very, very stressful after my exams. It wasn't an easy process, but thankfully going through the clearing process made it a lot less stressful. I didn't know if I wanted to repeat my last year or if I wanted to actually go forward to go to a university. USW had reached out to me and they were like, would you like to go through the clearing process? And they were like, look, you don't have to rush. You can take your time with this process. You can think about what you want to do. Really trying to get a gauge of what I wanted rather than just, you need to go to a university, pick a course and do it. They were very, very helpful. I really do enjoy law. Just because you didn't get the grades you wanted doesn't mean that you can't go on in your degree. I'm so happy that I took that opportunity to go to university. On results day, if you do not get the grades that you want, it's not the end of the world. It doesn't end there. Clearing is the start of the process.